Welcome to another edition of our Pro Tips from Smart Match app. Here's how you can set your default fields for your introductions. First, you'll want to click on Settings. Then click on Clients. Then look for Presets. You'll see a group of presets from here. The first one, called Default, is your intro presets. You can also rename it as Default Intro Presets. There's also a drop-down where you can choose the option called Intro from the selection to make sure that the fields you're adding here are used for your client introductions. Now it's time to customize your default intro fields. Click Plus Field, then select from the categories shown between Basic Fields, Profile Fields, and Match Preference Fields. Then click Save. You can move them around in any order you prefer by dragging the dots before the field name up or down. You can edit the intro field name by clicking in the box containing the field name. Now, when you make your intros, you'll only see the fields that you want to introduce to another client. It's best to make some test intros first before sending it out in a live environment so you don't send unnecessary information. Make your adjustments according to your workflow or preferences. And that wraps up our pro tip on how you can set your default intro fields in your Smart Match app database. Until next time.